This video is about the best type of glue that you should be using to glue back together rocks that have broken apart. It involves a bit of a story though, so hang on. This is petrified wood that I found in the desert of Utah while pursuing my geology degree, where we were supposed to be finishing our maps, but I was like, it's good enough. I was out for wood and I stumbled upon this guy right here. It's this piece of petrified wood with beautiful quartz crystals all the way up through it, like a big tower, like a vein of these quartz crystals. And I was like, I need that rock. So I just like tossed it in my backpack and it went for a ride. And I get to the nearest town and they show me the bill for sending such a heavy piece. And I was like, well, I can't afford that right now. I have no money, because it's usually by weight. So lo and behold, I start lobbing off pieces and then it breaks. So today's video is gonna be me gluing it all back together, because I've been learning what glue works and what doesn't when it comes to rocks. All right, here's the part of the video where I give you the rundown. Hot glue, no. Super glue works, but it has this residue. It looks horrible. The one glue that works perfectly is any type of epoxy or resin. I use glaze coat. It's used for countertops and tabletops. I used it on a countertop project myself. If you've never used this type of resin glue before, you use these two jugs, this one and this one, mix them together, equal parts by volume. And I put them together and I use them for all types of rock glue, just because it's that perfect clear glue that will never break. Like, the rock's gonna break before the glue actually breaks. It's crazy strong. Only negative is it takes probably 24 hours for it to cool and to finish. Also, and it slides all around if you don't have it hooked up right. So I would not plan on holding it in place. Make sure you have a clamp to clamp it in place for a whole day. So here's the rock. I want it to stand flat and be like a tower, like a mantelpiece part. So what I'm gonna do is fire up the rock saw and use the epoxy and then put the pieces together and assemble it. If you want to see more videos where I make stuff out of rocks, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one, because making rock stuff is awesome.